I will clear all the number. So I clear all the number here. And I will set this is the percentage, and we take to number after the point, right? And so now I will do the trend analysis, right? So trend analysis for the change percentage in trend analysis. Do you remember? We will take the value in a 1 and multiply by 100%, and we divide it by A0. A0 here is the base year, right? And in this case, the base year normally is the first year of the period, right? So in this case, base year is 2007. Not A1, sorry, this is AI, right? Okay, so now we will calculate the change percentage of 2007. Because 2007 is the base year, so the change percentage will be 100%, right? So it will be equal to the value of current assets in 2007 divided by the value of the base year is the current assets in 2007, and we have converted to percent already. Okay, and for 2000, and so we do the same for the following year, right? For this item, because the value is 0, so the value of the denominator is 0, so we got the error number here, so we just delete this. Okay, that's it, 0, right? And then for 2008, right? So now we will take the value of the item in 2008 divided by the value of the base year of the item in the base year. So we will take, for example, with current assets, we will take current assets in 2008, we divide it by the value of current assets in 2007, the base year, and we got 102%, right? In 2009, right, we take this and divide it by the value of current assets in 2007, right? Okay, so we do the same for the following items. Okay, and for 2010, we will take the value of the item in 2010 divided by the value of the base year is 2007, right? Okay, so we should change we take two number after the point here, right? Okay, and with the case that we got error number here, for example, the case of short-term investment 00, so we just delete it. There's no change, right, in short-term investment. Long-term investment, we also don't need to do the trend analysis because the number only appear in the final year or the previous year. There's no value, right? And for this case, minority interest as well, you don't need to do the trend analysis because we got only two value in 2 years, right? So delete. And for this case also, because we got only, normally for this case, we can do the trend analysis if we got the value appear in 4 year or more, but this value only appear in 3 years, right? So we don't need to keep this. Or if we want to do, right, you can take the year that we start to have the value, for example, 2009, we now the base year will be 2008, right? And we will take value of share premium in 2008 divided by the base year. Base year is this, and this year we will take the base year is 2008, not 2007, right? Okay, and we will take this divided by this. However, you should remember the base year now is not 2008, I7, this is 2008 now, right? However, I'm not going to suggest you to do the trade analysis for share premium in this case because we got only 3 years here. So if the period is longer, yes, you can do, but in this case, you don't need to do. Okay, so trend analysis. Have you got any question related to the calculation of change percentage in trend analysis? Các bạn có rõ về cách tính phần trăm thay đổi